Back from the trip. I just got to edit everything. It's been a fun trip. It was over. What did I get there at? So I flew, landed into Melbourne at 1 a.m. I woke up out of a horrible hotel, went to the charging station, waited for my Tesla to get delivered to check out how bad the damage was. Stuffed around all day getting parts. Went to a uncovered area, pulled it all apart. There was a couple of weird people hanging around. Drove to the Big Banana, some big other things. Elon came and visited me in the middle of the night. Had some shenanigans happen. Then we broke down, had some tyre issues. If you want to watch the video, I'm editing it now. Come over to Facebook, I do it on TikTok Live, all sorts of stuff. But yeah, it's just the trip from Melbourne, Coast Road up, 3,000, all up it costs 3,570 kilometres. And I'll tell you how much it cost to charge it, how much hours sitting at a bloody goddamn charging station. You'll be surprised how cheap it was, but how long it did. Or it might not be cheap. It could have been expensive. I don't know. We'll find out. This is only a quick video, but remember to have fun with life, and not everybody needs a diesel four-wheel drive to run their kids to school. Alright? No, it's a joke. You guys have a great day. See you later. Coming soon. Stay moist, stay triggered.